Alrighty, hello 7th grade. So I am going to be demonstrating to you the second project that we're going to be working on together. And it is dealing with observational drawing, meaning you draw what you see, and it's going to deal with nature, meaning we might be able to go outside and draw spring flowers that are poking through the ground, or leaves and twigs and stuff that's starting to come alive because it is springtime in Wisconsin. The snow is eventually leaving. If you're not able to go outside for whatever reason, you may be able to draw through a window, you may be able to draw houseplants, so anything that's nature related, that's what I want you to focus on for the subject of this project. Now, I'm going to be showing you two versions of this project. The first version is going to be using stuff that you guys were able to pick up on the pickup days that we had at school. So it was colored construction paper, chalk, which I have here, and glue. If you were able to get those things, then you're going to be doing version 1. If you weren't able to get those things, then we are going to be doing version 2. If you are able to get a hold of any crayons, because sometimes in some households that's kind of a common thing, depends on the house, but crayons might also benefit you for projects. Also, if you weren't able to get a hold of any glue, which I understand that happens, then you will be using crayons for certain parts of this project. So on both option 1 and, here's your kitty, option 2, you may have the option of also using crayons along with pencils for this option, meaning a regular graphite pencil if you don't have anything like colored pencils, and then chalk, especially on your colored paper. And there's a reason we're going to be using chalk and glue on colored paper, because we're going to be creating something called a resist. If you have something like crayons, that can also be used to make a resist, just not quite as easily as chalk. But again, a lot of this is stuff that I'm going to be showing you as we go along. So first, we're going to get some inspiration. So we're going to take a walk outside.